We've made it easier and more cost-effective to install Intelli-Connect Mobile in retrofit applications. With the new external mounting kit, you'll only need standard tools and a few minutes to install the wireless operator and get Intelli-Connect Mobile up and running quickly. First, secure the drill template to your control panel, away from any wires or components inside the panel that might be in the way. You'll receive the drill template and all necessary components when you purchase the external mounting kit. Using the standard drill bit, drill the 4 corner holes. Then, with the step bit, drill the center hole. Remove the template and begin to attach the wireless operator to your panel. You can loosely insert screws and washers, then tighten to secure. Next, connect the wireless operator and the variable frequency drive, and you're ready to configure, monitor, and troubleshoot your Magnatech VFD using Intelli-Connect Mobile. To learn more about Intelli-Connect Mobile and how it can benefit you, visit CMCO.com.